Are you ready to discover the limitless potential of AI in revolutionizing your online ventures? Imagine effortlessly crafting captivating content, designing stunning websites, and even composing original music, all with the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips. In this video, we delve into the dynamic realm of online entrepreneurship and unveil 10 ingenious ways AI can skyrocket your success. So are you ready to witness the magic of AI? Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Content creation. In the digital age, content is king, and AI reigns supreme. Elevate your content creation with tools like PepperType and Copy.ai, harnessing the power of AI to generate optimized and targeted material effortlessly. Whether you're a travel blogger, vlogger, or business, AI enables you to create compelling scripts, blog posts, and social media content in record time. From idea generation to proofreading, AI ensures your content stands out in the crowded online landscape. Embrace the efficiency of AI in crafting blog entries, newsletters, and captivating trip plans, transforming your creative process and propelling your online presence to new heights. Number 2. AI for web design. In the digital realm, a captivating website is your gateway to success, and AI is your ultimate design ally. With intuitive tools like Divi AI and Wix ADI, crafting visually stunning websites has never been easier. Say goodbye to the complexities of traditional web design and hello to AI-driven simplicity. These platforms streamline the process, offering customizable templates and responsive editing features that cater to every need. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, AI empowers you to create professional-grade websites with ease. Embrace the future of web design with AI and watch your online presence soar to new heights. Number 3. Generate audio AI content. Unlock the power of AI to revolutionize audio content creation and accessibility. Text-to-speech programs like Nova AI break down language barriers by translating and adding subtitles to videos, enhancing user engagement across diverse audiences. Whether you're producing audiobooks, podcasts, or educational materials, AI streamlines the process, converting written content into immersive audio experiences. Embrace AI's transformative capabilities to make your content accessible to all, amplifying its impact and reach. With AI, you can break free from linguistic limitations and connect with audiences worldwide through the universal language of sound. Embrace the future of audio content creation with AI and elevate your storytelling to new heights. Number 4. Create and sell logos. Your logo is the visual representation of your brand, and AI can help you create one that stands out. AI-powered logo generators like Looka and Design Evo enable you to design professional logos in minutes, eliminating the need for costly design agencies or freelance designers. Whether you're a startup or an established business, AI logo creation tools offer a cost-effective and efficient solution for branding needs. With AI, you can create logos that capture the essence of your brand and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Number 5. Become AI-powered affiliate marketer. Step into the future of affiliate marketing with AI as your trusted ally. Harness the power of AI tools to uncover lucrative opportunities, create compelling content, and automate tedious tasks. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, AI streamlines the process, enabling you to reach a broader audience and drive more conversions. With AI, you can transform your affiliate marketing efforts, maximize your earning potential, and stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Embrace the future of affiliate marketing with AI and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. Number 6. AI social media management. Streamline your social media strategy with AI-powered management solutions. Tools like Adzuma and Okoya automate scheduling, post-production tasks, and analytics, freeing up valuable time for creative content creation. Whether you're a business or an individual, AI enhances productivity and engagement, helping you stay ahead in the competitive social media landscape. With AI, you can optimize your posting schedule, track performance metrics, and target your audience more effectively. Say goodbye to manual tasks and hello to AI-driven efficiency. Embrace the future of social media management with AI and watch your online presence flourish like never before. Number 7. Deliver website SEO services. Elevate your website's visibility with AI-powered SEO services. Solutions like Surfer SEO and SEMrush automate content optimization, keyword research, and performance tracking, saving time and effort. Whether you're a small business or an experienced SEO expert, AI enhances your strategies and drives organic traffic to your site. With AI, complex tasks like technical SEO and link building become more accessible, enabling you to achieve better results in less time. Embrace the future of SEO with AI and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Optimize your online presence and watch your website soar to new heights. Number 8. Create music and background tracks. Unleash your creativity with AI-powered music creation tools. Platforms like Mubert and Aeva empower you to compose original music and background tracks effortlessly, regardless of your musical expertise. From film soundtracks to video game scores, AI offers a diverse range of styles and moods to suit any project. With intuitive interfaces and rapid iteration capabilities, AI streamlines the composition process, allowing you to experiment and refine your ideas with ease. Whether you're a filmmaker, game developer, or content creator, AI opens up new possibilities for sonic storytelling. Embrace the future of music creation with AI and elevate your projects to new heights of artistry and innovation. Number 9. Create online courses. Transform your expertise into profitable online courses with AI-powered tools. Platforms like Corso and Heights streamline content creation, lesson planning, and marketing, saving you time and effort. Whether you're an educator or an entrepreneur, AI simplifies the course-building process, enabling you to reach a global audience with ease. With AI-generated content and interactive features, you can create engaging learning experiences that resonate with your students. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to AI-driven efficiency. Embrace the future of online education with AI and unlock new opportunities to monetize your knowledge and skills. Number 10. App development. Embark on your app development journey with AI by your side. Platforms like Builder.ai revolutionize the process, allowing you to create custom apps without extensive coding knowledge. Whether you're a startup founder or a solo developer, AI simplifies every step of the development process. From interactive design to technical implementation, AI handles it all, delivering exceptional results with minimal effort. With intuitive interfaces and powerful capabilities, you can bring your app ideas to life and monetize them effectively. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to AI-driven innovation. Embrace the future of app development with AI and turn your vision into reality in no time. AI is not just the future of technology, it's the future of online income generation. By harnessing the power of AI, you can unlock new opportunities, maximize your earning potential, and stay ahead of the competition in today's digital landscape. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, AI offers endless possibilities for growth and innovation. So embrace AI, explore its capabilities, and chart a course towards a more prosperous future online. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and let the wonders of technology continue to shape your path to success.